Hi dear students, now we shall discuss the problems in the 8th month. In the last class we had taken first and second problems in the 8th month. Now third problem, just read the problem first. 27 minus 125 a cube minus 135 a plus 225 a square. We have to factorize this polynomial by using identity. Already we factorize this type of polynomial by using identity a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. Just see this problem. This is of the form a minus b whole cube. Okay dear students, solution. First write the problem. 27 minus 125 a cube minus 135 a plus 225 a square. I think this is of the form a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So right here, this is of the form a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is equal to what? This is equal to a minus b whole cube. Very good. Now this expression is written in the form a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. 27 is the cubic number. Can you say the cube root of 27? Yes, it is 3. 27 is obtained by multiplying 3 in 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. So cube root of 27 is 3. 27 is written as 3 whole cube or 3 cube minus, here a cube is there, cube root of a cube here, and the cube root of 125 as, remember cube root of 125, it is 5. If you multiply 5 in 3 times, 5 into 5, we get the product 125. So cube of 5 is 125. Cube root of 125 is 5. Don't confuse. Cube root of 125 is 5. Cube of 5 is 125. So here write 5a whole cube minus, according to the identity, I write 3. Instead of a, I write 3. In the place of a, 3 is there. So write 3. Here square is there. So write square. In the place of b, according to identity, here in the place of b there is 5a. So in the place of b, write 5a plus. Here identity value, that is 3. This is general value. In the place of a, put 3. 3. In the place of b, write 5a. Square is there, so write square. So I read once again. 3 cube or 3 whole cube minus 5a whole cube minus 3 into 3 square into 5a plus 3 into 3 into 5a whole square. This is of the form a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is of the form is a minus b whole cube. So this is also written as a minus b means 3 minus minus 5a whole cube. A value is 3 and b is 5a. So this is written as 3 times because there is cube. 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a. So 3 minus 5a, 3 minus 5a and 3 minus 5a. These are the factors of given expression. So write once again. Therefore 3 minus 5a, 3 minus 5a and 3 minus 5a are the factors of given expression. Write once again. 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. Are you clear? Now we take fourth one. 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. Solution. I think this is also in the form of a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is of the form a minus b whole cube. So here write the first identity. This is of the form a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is equal to a minus b whole cube. This is the identity a minus b whole cube. So consider the given identity is expressed in the form this a cube minus b cube and so on. So 64 is the perfect cube number. Can you say the cube root of 64? Yes, 4. If you multiply 4 in 3 times, 4 into 4 into 4, 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. So here 4 is the cube root of 64. So this is expressed in the form 4 cube. And here a cube is there. So write 4a whole cube. 4a whole cube is 64a cube minus 27 cube root of 27 3 b cube cube root of b cube b whole cube. We multiply 3b into 3 times, we get 27b cube minus according to identity 3 into a value is in the place of a there is 4a. So write 4a. Square is there, just write square. In the place of b there is 3b, write 3b plus 3 into a value is 4a into b value is what is the value of b? 3b whole square. So this is simple. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is equal to a minus b whole cube. So in the place of a, 4a is there, and in the place of b, 3b is there. Just put the values in the form a minus b whole cube. So it is written as 4a minus 3b whole cube. So here it is cube. So write 4a minus 3b in 4 times. 4a minus 3b into 4a minus 3b. Therefore 4a minus 3b, 4a minus 3b and 4a minus 3b are the factors of given problem 64a cube minus 27 b cube minus 144 a square b plus 108 ab square. 108 ab square. Now the fifth one, 27 b cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p. Here we take the solution. This is of the form. This is of the form a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square equals a minus b whole cube. So here 27p cube is written as 3p whole cube. So it is a cubic number. So cube root of 27 is 3. P cube is written as p whole cube minus 1 by 216. Cube root of 216. Have you remembered in the earlier class we had already learned? Yes. Cube root of 216. Sorry. 216 is what? Yes, it is 6. 6 into 6 into 6 we get 216. So 1 by 216 is written as 1 by 6 whole cube. Here cube applied both numerator and denominator. 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1. 1. 6 cube means 6 into 6 into 6. It is 216. So write 1 by 6 whole cube. According to identity, I write 3. In the place of a, there is 3p. I write 3p. In the place of b, it is 1 by 6. 1 by 6 plus 3 into a value is 3p into b value is 1 by 6 whole square. So this expression is expressed in the form a cube minus b cube minus 3ab. Here, sorry, it is 3a square. I write square. 3a square b plus 3ab square. So this is the identity in the form a minus 2 whole cube. So in the place of a there is 3p minus in the place of b here it is 1 by 6 whole cube. A minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So it can be expressed in 3 times 3p minus 1 by 6 because it is there is cube into 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6. Therefore 3p minus 1 by 6 comma 3p minus 1 by 6 and 3p minus 1 by 6 are the factors of the given expression 27a cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p. Hi dear students, now verify x cube plus y cube equals x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. This is, dear students, you should remember, this is also one of the important identity. Just we verify whether it is correct or not. We have to verify by using the identity a plus b whole cube, okay, or x plus y whole cube. Solution. Now first consider the identity x plus y whole cube. equals x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. We consider this identity x plus y whole cube and then verify LHS and RHS of the given problem. So write once again. Now I just remind in the LHS x cube plus y cube put remind in the same place in the RHS. Now transpose 3xy into x plus y into LHS. X plus y whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y equals x cube plus y cube. Here just transpose 3xy into x plus y into LHS, it becomes minus. So just simplify LHS. X cube plus y cube RHS, it is as in the same place. Now x plus y whole cube and x plus y. Here take out common x plus y. So power is 1 and the power is 3. Write x plus y is common factor. Okay, students. Now here x plus y whole cube already read once. Remaining here x plus y whole square minus 3xy. Because already x plus y written outside the bracket equals x cube plus y cube. Here x plus y into x plus y whole square. It is identity according to a plus b whole square. A square plus 12b plus b square. Here I write x square plus 2xy plus y square minus 3xy equals x cube plus y cube. X plus y into here plus 2xy minus 3xy. Here unlike signs are here, so subtract 2xy from 3xy. Just write x square plus y square as it is, and minus 3xy plus 2xy I subtract. Here it is minus xy or minus 1xy equal to x cube plus y cube. Or just here it is interchange the LHS and RHS. X cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square plus y square minus xy. Just observe the problem. X cube plus y cube equals x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Here x cube plus y cube equals x plus y, x plus y. X square minus x square plus y square, nothing but x square plus y square minus xy. Both are same. Here it is LHS and RHS. Given problem is verified. So this is one of the important identity. Can you repeat the identity? X cube plus y cube equals x plus y into x square plus y square minus xy. We should remember this is the identity and verify how we get the identity. Just we consider the identity x plus y whole cube, simplify like this and find the identity. So here LHS equals RHS. We should remember this is important identity. Now verify The second one, x cube minus y cube equals x minus y into x square plus y square plus xy. Now we have to verify x cube minus y cube equals x minus y into x square plus y square plus xy. Here also we using negative identity. Here it is minus, so we take x minus y whole cube. Solution. Now we consider x minus y whole cube. Just repeat the identity. X minus y whole cube, x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y, x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. This is the identity x minus y whole cube. By using x minus y whole cube, we have to verify the given problem. So here just transpose minus 3xy into x minus y into LHS. In the LHS there is x minus y whole cube, write as it is, and here it is minus 3xy into x minus y. It is minus, so after interchanging into LHS it becomes plus. So plus 3xy into x minus y equals x cube minus y cube. Now simplify LHS. Write x cube minus y cube as it is. X minus y whole cube and x minus y whole to the power of 1. The lowest power of the index, lowest power is x minus y whole to the power of 1. So take out this one outside, x minus y. So here remaining x minus y whole square plus 3xy. Already x minus y written outside the bracket. So here only 3x plus y. So next step, here it is x cube minus y cube. X minus y into x minus y whole square. Now express the identity x minus y whole square, that is x square plus y square minus 2xy. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. It is identity x minus y whole square, x square plus y square minus 2xy plus 3xy, write as it is, equals x cube minus y cube. Next x minus y into x square plus y square. Here minus 2xy plus 3xy. We have to subtract and write the sign of bigger term. Here plus is the bigger term sign. So plus 3xy minus 2xy, get 1xy equals x cube minus y cube. X cube minus y cube equals x minus y into x square plus y square plus xy. So write neatly. Therefore x cube minus y cube equals x minus y into x square plus y square plus xy. This is one of the important identity. So here LHS equals RHS. Since it is verified, x cube minus y cube equals x minus y into x square plus y square plus xy. We have to take down note. X cube plus y cube equals x plus y into x square plus y square minus xy, and x cube minus y cube equals x minus 1 into x square plus y square plus xy. Here just compare x cube plus y cube, x cube minus y cube. Here x plus y, here it is minus, here it is minus, here it is plus. These two are the important identities. You should remember these two identities. Now we take 10th one. Factorize each of the following. First one, 27y cube plus 125z cube. Second one, 64m cube minus 343n cube. Here we take first one, 27y cube plus 125z cube. Here first we arrange this one as the given identity. It is of the form a cube plus b cube. Solution. This is of the form a cube plus b cube. So arrange that one. 27y cube is written as 3y whole cube plus 125. It is cube root of 125 is 5. Cube of 5 is 125. It is 5z whole cube. So here a value is 3y and b is 5z. First write the identity and then substitute the values of a and b. A cube plus b cube or x cube plus y cube, m cube plus n cube. Any variable you can take. A cube plus b cube equals a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Already got the identity. Repeat once again. A cube plus b cube equals a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Put the values a and b. A value is 3y whole cube plus b is 5z whole cube. It is equal to a value 3y plus b value is 5z into a value 3y whole square plus b value 5z whole square minus a value is 3y and b value 5z. Next, here 3y whole cube plus 5z whole cube equals 3y plus 5z into 3y whole square, 3y into 3y, 9y square, 9y square plus 5z whole square, 5 5s are 25z square, minus into plus, minus into plus, minus. Here 3 5s are 15yz. Here 3y whole cube, 27y cube plus 5z whole cube is 125z cube equals 3y plus 5z into 9y square plus 25z square minus 15yz. Here these two are the factors of 27y cube plus 125z cube. Now we take second one. 64m cube minus 343n cube. This is of the form a cube minus b cube. Solution: this is of the form a cube minus b cube. So consider this is 64m cube is written in the form a cube. So cube root of 64 is 4, m cube is written as m whole cube, 4m whole cube, minus 343 means 343, cube root of 343 is 7. 7 here n cube, so write 7n whole cube. Here a value is 4m and b value is 7n. Write the identity a cube minus b cube. Have you remembered a cube minus b cube? Yes, a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. A minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Put the values in the place of a and b. A value is 4m whole cube and b is 7n whole cube, because 4m whole cube minus 7m whole cube. Here 4m minus 7n into a value is 4m whole square plus b 7n whole square plus a 4m into b value 7n. 4m whole cube, it is 64m cube minus 7 cube means 343n cube, equals 4m minus 7n into 4m whole square. 4 square means 4 into 4 16m square plus 7 square, 7 7s are 49 n square plus into plus 7 4s are 28 m into n. So here 4m minus 7n and 16m square plus 49n square plus 28mn are the factors of 64m cube minus 343n cube. Dear students, take down one note. This is also an important identity. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. I repeat once again. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. Here we have to factorize this one by using identity. So take solution. First write the given expression in the form of identity. 27x cube is written as, first once again write 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. This is written as 3. So 20 cube root of 27 is 3. X cube is written as 3x whole cube, 3x whole cube. Here 27x cube is written 3x whole cube plus y cube plus z cube minus, according to identity I write 3 into x value 3x, y is y into z. We know the identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So write this is of the form x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Therefore here x value is 3x. In the place of x there is 3x, so write x equals 3x. Y value is y as it is and z is z. Now we take the identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube plus minus 3xyz equals, we know the identity. Have you remembered? X plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Repeat once again. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy equals x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now put the values in the place of x, y, z. X value is 3x whole cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into x value is 3x, y into z equals x value is 3x plus y plus z into x value 3x whole square plus y square plus z square minus x value is 3x into y minus yz minus z into x value is 3x. Next, here 3x whole cube means 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 3s are 9 x into y into z equals 3x plus y plus z into 3x whole square means 3x into 3x 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx. Next, last finally write once again. This is the same step. 3x plus y plus z. I write simply 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx. So here 3x plus y plus z and 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx are the factors of 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. Dear students, 12th one, verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. We have to verify LHS and RHS. Now we consider LHS. By taking LHS, we verify RHS. When finally we get LHS equal to RHS. Solution: consider LHS x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Dear students, already we have taken identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Can you say? Yes, it is x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Here we just considered LHS. This is the LHS, and next this we consider the identity. This is identity because this is identity for this. So just here you take small correction, that is I multiplied off with this x plus y plus z, and now I multiply 2 into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Dear students, don't confuse. Just I multiplied off into 2 for this identity because we have to get RHS. Here 1 by it is multiplication. It is this one and this one are 2 are multiplied. So there is no problem if we taking multiplication. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 to get cancelled. Remaining 1 ones are 1 is multiplied throughout this identity. There is no change. So it will come as it is. So in this step we should remember I multiplied 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z. Multiplied off with this one and multiplied 2 into this. Okay. Next step, I think you are clear with off and 2. Okay. Next, 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z. I write as is. Here multiplied through the expression by 2. 2 into x square 2x square plus 2 into y square 2y square plus into plus 2 into z square 2z square minus into plus minus 2 into xy 2xy plus into minus 2 into yz 2yz plus into minus 2zx. Just multiply 2 with this expression. Okay. Next, 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into just x square are 2, y square is 2 and 2z square. Just split 2x square, 2y square and 2z square. Just simple. 2x square is written as x square plus x square, nothing but 2x square. Y square plus y square, this is 2y square. Z square plus z square. Right, as it is 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. In the next step, 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into, just rearrange the terms. X square, I take this is xy, so x square minus 2xy plus y square. 1x square and 1y square right here. And next with this identity, sorry yz, now I take y and z plus y square yz, this one, minus 2yz plus, here z is there, so write another z square plus, next take zx, here 1x is there, x square minus 2zx plus, now I take z square, flower bracket. Just don't confuse. I repeat once again. Here just simply split 2x square as x square plus x square, 2x square as y square plus y square, and 2z square as z square plus z square. We know the identity a minus b whole square. According to that, we just write together the terms. X square minus 2x square plus y square, 2xy, x square y square, x square y square minus 2xy. And yz is there, so y square plus z square minus 2yz. Z square, z square, x square, here x square and another z square. Here x square minus 2zx plus z square. Next finally, write 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into x square minus 2x y plus y square is written as x minus y whole square plus y minus 2yz y square minus 2yz plus z square is written as y minus z whole square plus x minus x square minus 2zx plus z square is written as x minus z whole square. Dear students, just compare this step and here RHS 1 by 2 x plus y z, 1 by 2 x plus y plus z, 1 by 2 x plus y plus z, 1 by 2 x plus y plus z, and here x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Here x minus y whole square, y minus z whole square. Here just a small correction. This is z minus x whole square. Z minus, there is no change. Better to take z square minus x square. No problem. Z square minus 2zx plus x square. Here z minus x whole square is there, so I take z minus x whole square. No problem. So here now, dear students, in the first I consider LHS. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Then finally, of into x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square, we get RHS. So it is verified. Here both LHS and RHS are equal. Dear students, now I take 13. 1. If x plus y plus z equals 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals 3xy. We have to show that these two are equal. X cube plus y cube plus z cube equals 3xyz. Solution. First write the identity. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Dear students, In the place of x plus y plus z, I put 0 because it is given. So here in the place of x plus y plus z, I write 0 into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx, because it is given x plus y plus z equals 0. It is given. Now, in the next step, we are multiplying 0. We are multiplying 0 with x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. If you multiply 0 by anything, we get 0. So product of 0 with this, we get 0. So here x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals 0. Now just transpose minus 3xyz into RHS. Here x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals, transpose minus 3xyz into RHS. It is 3xyz. Here x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals 3xyz. We get the same answer, x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals 3xyz. Hence it is proved. Dear students, 14th one, without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. These two of the form a cube plus b cube plus c cube are x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Already know it is equal to 3xyz. Solution first, I take minus 12 o cube whole cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. Solution, this is of the form a cube plus b cube plus c cube. This is equal to 3 into ABC, or x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals 3xyz. Now here take the values minus 12 whole cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube equals, just here a value is minus 12, b value is 7 and c is 5. Put in the place of a, b, c, minus 12 into 7 into 5. Just multiply in the rough word, minus into plus into plus minus 12 5 is 60 into 7 6 are 42. It is minus 420 into 3 into 0 3 to the 6 3 4 are 12 minus into plus minus. It is equal to minus 1260. The cube of minus 12 whole cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube value is minus 1260. We find here without actually calculating the cubes. Here by using the identity we simplified it. And dear students, you yourself find the value of second one. It is for homework. Try yourself. And okay dear students, in this chapter means in the polynomials, so many problems are there and you work out all those problems, and we will meet with the next lesson. Thank you. Bye.